Happy Halloween, everybody, and welcome to the world of Micah. Today, I decided to do something a little out of the ordinary. Going to do a Home Depot versus Lowe's competition here to see who has the better Halloween decoration display for the 2023 season. You guys are going to get to decide your favorite based on the two spots that I visit in my video. I'm also going to let you know what my favorite was for this year. This is going to be fun. This is going to be quick. Thanks for watching. Now, let's take a closer look. All right, first stop on this showdown, the Home Depot. Doom, doom, doom. And I'm really curious to see what this Home Depot has so far. You know, early September, they should have everything. Gives you 1 month to plan for the Halloween season, but let's head inside. And I'm not sure if they allow filming in here, to be honest with you. You can film in public though. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go inside here and see what kind of Halloween decorations they have so far for the 2023 season. This is the Dead Water collection, they're calling it. Look at that skeleton. He's even got the Home Depot little apron on. These guys all do different things. Let's see. Oh yeah. How cool is that? She's got a little doll. They look like they're related though, right? This is Possessed Penny. Oh, she's gonna rip the bear's head off. I'm calling it now. Yep. That's a little much. Oh, and if you want to, you can just turn them off and they go back. Then we have Swamp Scarecrow right here. Yeah. It's incredible. $129 for that guy. Oh wow, it grabs you straight up. That kind of scared me. And the Good and Evil twins. They're not loud. I think it's all right. Pumpkin here is cool, stacked. Or you can do them individually. That's cool. They also do it with the skulls here. Got some more animatronics over here. I'm not going to try all of these, but I do like that pumpkin right there. Let's see. Let's see what Dean does. Oh yeah.
If you don't mind my saying, you seem distracted.
That's cool.
Please, relax and leave those
It's like he's
unpleasant
pouring
thoughts.
something.
I assure you, soon.
The cauldron just does exactly what it says, a bubbling cauldron. They've also got little skeletons here that glow. A lot of inflatables. Winifred Sanderson there. Individual boxes, some tombstones. These will light your path. Got these little animated plush here. Chucky, Minions, and Oogie Boogie there. Winifred, Mickey. Look at the dog, he's Frankenstein. And some more weird dolls and the animated witch there. A lot of skulls. These are neat. We got like a little sinister face on this one. This guy looks like, hey, how you doing? So this Home Depot didn't really have as much as I've seen in other Home Depots. So I'm gonna give it a fair chance, a fighting chance. And I'm gonna visit another Home Depot because I know you have potential, Home Depot. I believe in you. All right, Home Depot, let's see what else you got. All right, you totally redeemed yourself. What on freaking earth? Look at all these animatronics, even the Jack Skellington and our future right here. I'm into this pumpkin right here, the Inferno pumpkin, but I'm also into this giant sized LED towering ghost, as it says. All right, let's check this Reaper out. Ooh, look at that. Chest lights up. Hey, look, Jack, the Pumpkin King. He was right up there. Oh my God, that's incredible. This guy. Saw these guys at the other store. So they had like a fraction of this. This is like insane. Walking around here. There's so many families around. I'm trying not to show them, but everybody's like into this, man. I love the Sanderson sisters there. Look at old Pappy out here. That's good old Pappy right there. I like that flying like devil bat guy in the back. My scarecrow buddy. And that deer right there's had enough. There's Pappy, swamp fisherman. Yep, I said your name. If he stands up, okay, he's rocking. But I'll say, dude, if you stand up like Abraham Lincoln style at Disneyland, I'm gonna, oh my gosh, I'm gonna freak out. This is Lethal Lily, the witch. She's got her little toadstool here. That's a good latex mask for the animatronic. And her little broom lights up. I want the dogs. Like the Shaggy DA right there, man. The Shaggy dog right there. These are so cool. They got Oogie Boogie and Jack. More minions. Little teddy bear. Dude, I'm telling you. Hunters beware. This dude's not taking any more of your crap. More inflatables up here. Witches. Headless witch. Or doll, I should say. Look at the backside of all these characters. There's another dog here. And Ursula. Got the gargoyles. Those pumpkins I was showing you earlier. I love these guys. Let's see what this looks like when you light up. Oh yeah, it flickers. I'm sure at night. That looks cool. Classic pumpkins here. And lights. These guys are pretty big though. And that giant spider right here, that's nightmare fueled. Totally nightmare fueled. All right, so what did you guys think about the Home Depot? I had to give it a fighting chance because I know Lowe's, the Lowe's that I'm going to, is pretty good. So I wanted to give Home Depot a fighting chance, but this is all up to you guys. I might say which one I think is better. And now we have made it to Lowe's. Let's see what they have for this year's Halloween season. All right, Lowe's, let's see what you got. I'm already incredibly impressed. This is amazing. Halloween Manor, put this out in front of your house. Giant zombie, skeleton, witch. She's pretty terrifying. That mummy and giant scarecrow. These things are massive. This dude looks like he ate really bad Taco Bell. Hello. Love the old tree here. Let's see what this does. Let's do the tree. Yes, I knew it. Are you not gonna make a cawing noise? That's kind of lackluster. It's kind of quiet. Oh, here's the band. Let's see if the band is working. Yeah, the drummer's lights are on. And there's the drums. I think he's supposed to be moving. Scarecrow's working for sure. It's pretty terrifying. Wow, there they all go. Yeah, this guy shouldn't have had that bean burrito, buddy. Dude, let's check this out. Let's try it. Oh man, look at that. The wings move. It's a full tombstone there. I love the inflatable Mickey up there.
You better watch out for it.
This wreath. That's awesome. All right, let's venture down the little alleyway here. These are cool. Here's the backside. These guys are huge, man. Oh, that's got some Halloween 2 vibes to it right here. That's cool. It's heavy too. A lot of pumpkins, these guys. Little tombstones down here, hitchhiking ghost. I was like, we're supposed to have a lot of Haunted Mansion this year. Here's the section, but I don't see a whole lot of Haunted Mansion. I see a lot of stuff that's, you know, themed like the Haunted Mansion, but this is like the only thing they've got. Got some doggos here. Peanuts characters here. More Disney. Ursula is very popular this year. Gizmo, the Charlie Brown looking Michael Myers from Halloween 2 returns. Good grief.
What's the matter? There's nothing to be scared of here.
Call in the spirits wherever they're at. She actually talks. That inflatable does. All right, Lowe's. I think you were my favorite. To be honest, with the look and the classic feel and all the Disney stuff, I think Lowe's was my favorite. But what was your favorite? Comment. Let me know what you thought based off this video. But I look forward to Halloween decorations every year. I'm gonna be doing plenty of videos like this here on the channel throughout the season, showing you guys decorations from different places. This was a lot of fun. This was simply for fun. But I vote Lowe's right now for the best Halloween decorations options that I saw. Leave a comment, and it is time to say goodbye, and I will see you on the next episode. Until then, stay weird. Goodbye.